Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you step by step how you can change the search language in Google. You must watch this video till the end so that you get the right information about everything and also subscribe to my channel. First of all, you have to open the Google app and click on your profile at the top right. Now here you have to click on the settings button at the bottom. When you click on the settings button, after that you have to scroll down and here you have to click on other settings. Here you have to click on it. Now here you have to click on language and region at the top and then click on your search language. Here you can select any language for search. In this way you can change the search language in Google. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next interesting video.